gosh. We love the peacefulness and the quietness of this place and just how much it feels like home.
We're out in the country. We can get to town when we need to and be there in 10 minutes, but we're far enough away that there's no traffic. You don't hear any road noise. Her family started construction on this property in 75 and then completed that somewhere around 80. So they've got a 50-year legacy here. You know, it's quiet, it's peaceful. You can think, I don't know, you get healthy.
Yeah, and it's enough property that you stay in really good shape.
Oh yeah, you do. The possibilities truly are endless for any family with an imagination or a dream. This is a place. It's almost a blank slate. The home itself, it's just beautiful.
With so much love in this property, you can definitely feel it with the creativity that they did with the dual fireplaces, the wooden doors, the arch doors. Everything in this home is so unique, so well thought, that when you move into this property, you're gonna make it yours and you're gonna make it your home. Now, if this is a home that you could see yourself living in and you want a slice of heaven here in the Imperial Valley, give me a call. I'm Gisela Sanchez, your real estate ambassador, and I'll see you at the next listing.